There are two things that saw Stellenbosch lose the game on Saturday against Orlando Pirates with MTN 8 final. Number one, it was a lapse of concentration, switching off on a critical phase with extra time. I understand they've played 90 minutes and it's extra time. It's a very, very critical time. And at that critical time, they lost the concentration. Players switching off. Fatigue. I do understand that element. But you cannot lapse the concentration. You cannot switch off at that time of the game, because the game is at its climax. You cannot afford to be switching off. Check the first goal. Taking nothing away from a deep cross, Ozuna Police. That was legendary. That was a world-class type of a cross. But look at the body language, Thabo Moleisane and his partner, the central defense. Look at how they turn facing the goalkeeper, and look at how actions about Wenzayo as that ball passes by them. It shows there's a lapse of concentration and these players have switched off. Fatigue, critical phase of the game. That goal is the same thing. They are not aware of the player running behind, making the run behind them. The awareness, they being lapha. The awareness being ngekho, concentration beyilapsile, ne communication beyingekho. Which is my second point, lack of communication. If you check, Stephen see everything that happens in front of him. So as someone who sees ama runs the incoming cross, he should communicate ukuthi beware, not danger. So there are some players who has switched off can switch on, but the crowd beyigcwele lapha bafowethu. So we understand beyigcwele the crowd, bekungekho lula to send a message across. So ngenzeka wakwenza lokho, but they did not hear him because kwakugcwele kunomsindo and everything was going. But taking nothing away from movements of police, but also kunama factors othi mabuka ubona ukuthi kwakune lack of communication, ne lapse of concentration, and okungenzeka ukuthi ifatigue inomthelelo omkhulu lapho. So hard luck to Stellenbosch. You live to play another day. We hope you learn from that. We'll see you on the next final, because you might be facing Pirates again.